Gemini, October is whispering your name like a soft wind, full of breakthroughs and emotional clarity. Just wow. I'm seeing conversations happening, and that conversation is shifting your relationships, career moments that surprise you, and inner insights that finally make sense. Stay with me till the end because I'll share a ritual that helps you anchor this fast moving energy while staying joyful and balanced. Let's get started. So, Gemini, October feels like a month of decision and patience. Yes, the two keywords are decision and patience. Okay, I can see that Gemini, you will be served with two choices, and you may feel pulled between your heart and your mind, and you will be confused. The star is shining brightly here, and it is reminding you that clarity and hope are always present, even when the crossroads feels tense. And we have the Knight of Pentacles in reverse, my dear, and it is asking you to slow down and notice if you have been forcing progress instead of letting it unfold naturally for you. You may feel restless that each for moment movement, but the cards are saying that, my dear Gemini, pause, reflect, and then act with intention. That is very important for you in this particular month. The universe is giving you the time to gather energy before the next big leap because you people are made to do something bigger. And therefore, we have seen that Geminis have a lot of struggles, obstacles in their life. Okay. Because at the end, you are going to do something beautiful in your life, impactful. Okay. Let's talk about the love and relationships. So, October is going to bring the clarity to love for you, Gemini. Singles may meet someone through learning spaces or mutual communities. And yes, this person will feel very, very familiar to you. Okay, like a soul you have known in another lifetime. Couples and the people who are already in committed relationships may find that decisions about shared finances, moving from one town to another town, one city to another city, or maybe from one country to another, or future planning, and all these things need a very calm and honest conversation between both the parties. So keep a note of it. And what are the little actions that you should do for your love life? So, Gemini, set aside 30 minutes to discuss your goals and feelings openly with your partner. You need to communicate with your partner if you're already in a relationship, okay? And yes, journal your heart's desire. That's very important for you. What do you truly want versus what you think you should want? So, there's always a difference between what we want and what we should want. So, you need to understand the difference between both and notice the recurring dreams. Someone could be sending you the subtle signals. Okay, let's talk about Gemini, your career and ambition. So, pushing too hard won't serve you this month in case of career. Okay, in case of job or a career, I'm saying that the career momentum is still there, Gemini, but it requires patience and strategy. Okay, you should focus on long term vision and hope, not just immediate result. And don't go with shortcut. It is not going to help you out. So, what are the small actions that you should take for your career and ambition, Gemini? You should break the larger projects into smaller, manageable steps. Okay, and the same goes for your goals. Ask for clarification if directions or goals feel unclear because communication is the key this month. And track your progress in work and micro wins to sustain the motivation. So, this is very important. Let's talk about the money and finances, Gemini. Though Knight of Pentacle is reverse here, but we also have this star card. So I can see that yes, hope and guidance are there, but yes, there is a possibility that unexpected small gains could appear, a refund, a surprise bonus, or a side income. Avoid the rash investments, okay? For example, if your friend or somebody whom you admire is asking you to invest X amount of money, okay, in X scheme, so you need to think thrice, twice, and don't do the investment without any thought process. Okay, so think deeply. So, what are the actions that you should take for money in the month of October, my dear Gemini? Track the daily spending because we know that clarity always bring control. Set aside a micro savings jar for emergencies, okay, or inspiration, and seek advice from someone experienced before making big financial decisions. I would say avoid taking big financial decisions this month, which involve higher risk. Okay. Let's talk about the health and well-being, Gemini. So, Gemini's, I can say you may have the mental fatigue, tension, headaches, irregular sleep patterns. Yes, and I know it's not only about October month. It has been in the overall 2025 for most of the Geminis. So, I can say stress also and leading to health problems. So, what are the actions that you should take in order to keep your health and well-being balanced? Start a nightly 5 minute meditation. If you cannot do in night, you can start in morning. But 5 minute meditation is a must for you because I can see mental fatigue, tension, headaches, irregular sleep patterns. Okay. Hydrate consistently and gentle neck and shoulder stretches will also help you because it helps in releasing tensions. Okay. So you can try it out. Spiritually, I'm seeing that there will be moments where you need to take certain decisions. So there will be a fight between decisions versus fear. Okay, so you need to ask a question to yourself that am I avoiding choices because I fear outcomes? Okay. Sit with a candle and silently ask what choice will bring me the most alignment. So, Gemini, this is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Now, let's come to the exciting part, the ritual that I talked about. So, Gemini, try a moonlight reflection ritual on a clear night. Go outside and gaze at the moon. Take 3 deep breaths and whisper one question you need guidance on. Visualize it, visualize it floating into the sky with the moonlight. This simple 2 minute ritual brings clarity as well as emotional balance. Let me know how it feels. Now, what are the signs that you should watch for Gemini in this month of October? You can see the repeated numbers 444. And yes, if you see this in the month of October, that will indicate that yes, stability is coming after indecision period. You can see silver and blue color a lot this month. You can see a lot of birds chirping. You can hear a lot of birds chirping, a lot of birds around you, butterflies, pigeons, okay, carrying some sort of messages. So be mindful of what you were thinking at the time when you see these birds, butterflies, pigeons, and the other birds, okay? So the lucky color for your Gemini is silver and sky blue. Lucky day, winner's day. Gemstone, blue topaz, and angel number 444. So as per the reading and the energy, the information that I believe is for Gemini is I trust my choices and welcome clarity and hope into my life. So Gemini, that was your reading. October brings clarity, hope, and shifts, choices. So you need to pause, reflect, and notice the signs. Moonlight, butterflies, 444. Your next steps are guided. Let me know what resonates most. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye for now.